We got Mitchell's tanning up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Brought the boat out. This thing is pretty wild. Everything's working great. Battery started right up. We cut the motor on and off a few times already. We took it way down that way, about 3 or 4 miles. We've been checking everything. Everything's good so far. This thing hauls butt. We're just gonna drive around some more and see what we got. We're a little scared to jump in the water. There's like sharks in here or something in the Halifax, but everything's working great. We don't know how much gas there is, but this thing barely uses gas, so we just keep checking it every now and then. It hadn't even used up hardly any at all. But I don't know. We're just gonna chill here. And, what, you gonna jump in? Oh shit! Hold on. This dude's gonna jump in. Look at this. Oh, you better get out quick. There is sharks in this water, by the way. Look at this dude. Oh
Get eaten by
my.
any sharks, you know.
So how was it? How was the dip?
It's refreshing. It's good shit.
You ain't about to see my butt jumping there. But yeah, this thing's pretty cool. We're just gonna chill here, kinda enjoy the view. My house is actually right over there in that cul-de-sac. You can actually see my bedroom from there. Man, this dude jumped in again. Look at this dude. Couldn't get enough, could ya? I don't know, we're just out here boating. So this is the 3rd time we brought it out. The first time it started taking on water because the little cap blew off. I guess the guy had it and he JB welded it. So the first time we took it out, it blew off. And then the second time we took it out, we drove it around, but the battery died because I had been working on I put a new fan in and the bilge pump and the radio, and I never charged the battery. So when we went out, it was dead. But I bought another battery thinking this battery wasn't good, and I also charged this battery, but I don't know. I charged this one and it worked, so I didn't need to use the new one. So I'm gonna take the new one back and get my $130 back, so that'll be good. And I don't know, we got Gorman over here drying off. This is crazy. We're under like 2 big bridges. That's like the, what is that, Seabreeze Bridge? And I don't know what that one is. We're gonna drive around some more, see what we got. Man, I thought that was something in the water. There's like a log over there in the water. Ride around some more. Let's go. Stop for a second. Gorman almost lost all this shit here. Oh, look at that. It's a bird. Get him. What do you think so far?
It's fucking sick. I love it.
Boats and hose. Water hoses. I'm married, so I can't have no girls. So we're just chilling, riding around. I don't know how we missed the rain, because way over there it's like lightning and stuff, but over here it's sunny, and over there it's good, and then over there there's a rainbow. So welcome to Florida. This kind dodge the weather and still have a fun day, I guess. But yeah, this is fun. We're gonna get back to it. So let's get to it. Alright, so we made it back to the shop with the boat. We're gonna get this thing unhooked, get it washed off, and get the motor flushed and get everything clean. So let's get to it. All right, so I got the boat all clean and washed out. What we do is we take this thing here and it screws into the boat there and hook the water hose up here. I have these water filters where it's fresh water going through there, filtered water. And then I hook these up right here, hook the water up, and then I turn the motor on and it flushes it out. But I have to do that on each side considering it has two motors. So there's another hookup right there for that. Did all that, ready to go. So I'm gonna let this thing drip off a little bit. It's still pretty wet and dripping. So before I bring it in the shop, I'm gonna let this drip off and then, I don't know, probably turn the fan on it where it can dry overnight. The BMW should be back this coming up week. They are putting the motor back together. So the next few episodes will probably be some more car content. I know you guys have been missing that. We're gonna put the boat up, so let's get to it. All right, so we got the boat all clean. I hosed it out. I even hosed it out in here. Get all the gunk out of there and let it drain out. This thing's ready to go out again. Everything was good on it. The battery stayed charged. This thing hauls butt. Had no leaks. Earlier, I put on some sealant stuff down here. I don't know if you can see that there, but that sealant stuff down there. It was, a lot of it's old and dried up, so I went ahead and peeled it off and put some new on there. Technically, you're supposed to let it dry for 24 hours, but we put a heat gun on it and a fan on it and let it dry super quick. Took it out, tested it, everything was good. But we're gonna go ahead and end the episode. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.